Hello, this is Yunhyeong Lee,
And Isabella Cruz,
and our NEA Grand Challenge and UN Sustainable Goal is clean water and sanitation.
and we're from Group 34. We chose the sustainable goal because when we were gathering ideas, we seemed to relate personally to different reasons as why we think water tastes different. We established that drinking water can taste very different with different water brands and from each other even. And we also noticed that water tastes very different from our homeland countries. I'm from Mexico and he's from Korea, and we both noticed that that water tastes very different from here in America. So this made us wonder what could make it more specific in Texas, where we live now, and how it could be filtered and improved better. This final concept we decided to do was a double filtration system, including carbon filtration and water softeners. We wanted to make it a household filtration system where people can include it into their pipes and have that all around their houses. Um, in the first image, we see how carbon filtration works. Um, It shows how it removes impurities and improves taste. It is pushed through a compacted carbon block, and it separates sediments and absorbs chemical contaminants by activated carbon. These are usually included in point of use places such as kitchen sinks or tabs around the house, but as said before, it could be used in um, the pipes as well. The second image shows the water softening process. This cleans hard water, and it does that by removing hard chemicals like calcium and magnesium. Those are removed via ion exchange, and they're usually replaced with sodium ions. And this includes a mineral tank for exchange.
For our initial concept for this research is find a way to remove limestone from our water to make it taste better and clean, because we figured out the reason the taste different is the limestone, so make it better.
Our refinement process basically is we removed the limestone from water, which we discovered is called hard water. And to clean harder water, water softener filtrations are usually used. And since um, carbon filtration is very common, we wanted to combine the both carbon filtration and water softeners for household filtration systems. Um, the research we started off with was we wanted to see what areas in Texas were affected by water contamination. We found this groundwater contamination viewer um, in Texas, and we figured out all the pros and cons from that.
This is our design. At the left part is carbon filterization system, and at the right is water softener. At the carbon one, there's PP sediment filter, GAC filter, and GTO filter, and at the right, resin tank and brine tank. And for the PP sediment filter, is removing big particle dust, rust, and sand, and GAC filter is removing chlorine or industrial solvent, and CTO filter is removing smaller chemical and chlorine, carbon, and make it taste, smell, and color better. And resin tank is filtering carbon, manganese with sodium from brine tank.
This is our presentation. Thank you, and these are our resources.
Thank you.